Don Bosco Varigati.
Hello friends, Don Bosco Varigati, a Center for Career Guidance, Training and Job Placement. Google has come up with a new initiative, Generative AI for Educators. It is a very unique program. Those who are as a teacher, we know your time is valuable and student needs are broad. With generative AI for educators, you will learn how to use generative AI tools to help to save times on everyday tasks. So something very beautiful courses modeled by Google, teachers and professors who are in a teaching domain or teaching profession. So make use of this opportunity to learn yourself to get update on artificial intelligence. It's a flexible AI training designed for teachers. It is like 83 percentage expect to save 2 hours a week using generative AI tools and felt confident in their ability to use the generative AI in the classroom is 74 percentage. So you find your courses module to enroll. If you are a teacher, it's a wonderful opportunity to make use of this Google generative AI for educators. If you click here for enrollment, you find the module classes as a beginners. You know, it is beautifully given generative AI for educators. You can just get start and use your Google account for authentic verification to enroll yourself. Then you can start your online classes. So you will also get your certification after your completion and the requirement of this program. So you find your the certification details and other details also given here. Definitely, I will be also giving the link for you down and save your time and enhance students' learning with AI skills. So earn a certificate with your present to your district for professional development credit and depending on the district and state requirements. So you find here all the details for your certification and courses, and you'll also have a hand-on experience. So it is international level. It's a wonderful opportunity to learn yourself and get updated. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.